Oh, hi, Misha. What are you doing? You're driving away to Emily's house? Oh. It's very far away. Oh, I cannot see you? I think I can. Is that your new car? Oh, wow. Why why are you going to Emily's house? It's her birthday? How old is she turning? She's turning 3? Oh my goodness. Emily is big already? Oh, she wears diapers? Oh, I know. She's 3 years old? She wears diapers at 3 years old? I don't think so. She's only 1.5 right now. She's not 3 yet. It will be a 1.5 years before she turns 3. Do you want to say something to Emily? Misha, beep, beep, what do you want to say to Emily? Okay, can you say it louder? She can't hear you. Can you say it louder? Okay, that's a big fly. I know, that's scary. Can you say something to Emily? Okay, are you at Emily's house? You want to say something to Emily? Look in the camera and say something to Emily. Do you want to tell her happy birthday? Say it. Okay, can you say it before you get out of the car? Say it. Misha, say it. Oh, louder. Oh, all right. Say bye-bye, Emily. Look in the camera and say that. Mia, Mia.